Hi friends, it's Julia. Today I'm playing along with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and this is round number 7. Today is day 13, and today's sketch is a Sketchability sketch by Karen Gerber. It is Sketchability's number 126, and I love these. It has a lot of mixed media feel. Even though I'm not really a mixed media girl, I'm going to do my best to complete a layout that has the same feel as this one. You can see there's lots of embellishment down here. There's a slight embellishment over to the side, and then a little more embellishment up here. So I pulled out a ton of stuff because there is some notebook edges here and here. I went ahead and pulled in my notebook edge punch. And then I pulled in a ton of stuff. I pulled in 4 different washi tapes. I pulled in ephemera, bits and pieces. I even went into my last kit and pulled out some ephemera pieces from that to play along with. I think there's another card and some of these fleur-de-lis shapes. Yeah, so I pulled in a ton. I pulled all this from my last kit. This one I pulled in from my chipboard pieces, again from my chipboard pieces. This is from that Heidi Swap, and this is from that, these 3 are from the, and these 3 stickers are from the Hobby Lobby collection. Plus I pulled in, I pulled these 2 little tabs from my last kit as well. Then I pulled in a ton of scraps. You know, I had added in all the scraps to my kit in orange, green, and blue, and these are all from that stash bin. All of those. Then I pulled in a couple of sheets from the current collection that I have going on from Close to My Heart. I pulled in these 2. This is going to be my background, this gray paper, as well as this one from the Sweet Girl collection, and I've already used this side with the polka dots. This side has the scallop side to it, so I'm going to use this as my general background. Then the papers that I added to the collection are these from SEI. This one is from the Mayberry collection, and then this one is from the Claire collection, and I love that metallic and floral print there, but I really love this olivey green, khaki green color, and it's got a darker brownish type dot on there that I felt went really well. So those are the papers that I'm going to play with. I pulled in 1 photo like the sketch. I have a ton of embellishments here, a ton of scraps. My title I already have pulled. And because I didn't have quite enough from these stickers to create my entire title, I did have to pull 3 letters from a different collection, that different color but same font, but it's very slight. So unless you're really looking, you're not going to see it, you know, it's not going to be stark when you're looking at it. And then of course the washi tapes and the punch. There's my sketch. If you will give me a few minutes, I will be back to show you what I have created. Anyway, be right back. Okay friends, I am done with this sketch. It is the Sketchability sketch from Karen Gerber, and it was number 126. This is the orientation of it, but I guess you could do it with any orientation. This one did call for a lot of mixed media, and you guys know me, I'm not going to use any mixed media. Not doing these videos every day. As far as leftover paper, this is what I have. You can see I used both these pieces that were add-ons, and then I cut down the primary piece from Close to My Heart, and these will go back into my rotation of getting scraps used. I am pretty good about using scraps when I add them back in. I pulled those other pieces from the old collection that I had that I was using, and I have this 1 piece left that'll go back in there. And then I have these stickers. I used 1, and these I used 1. And here's my layout. And I did use all 4 rolls of washi tape that I have out. And you can see I feel like I am just right on the money with this sketch. Even though I didn't have the mixed media content down low, I still had these leafy feels down here. I had these wreaths here that made it feel like a doily, if you will, because this was going to be a more masculine photo. The only thing I didn't add on was my date, and it's July 2017. So yeah, I added tons of layers. I punched out, I used my punch that I pulled in. It's my EK Success Notebook Edge punch, and I used tons of scraps. And you can see, let me get these layers up close, and I will have close-ups at the end. You can see bits of washi tape stuck in there. There's two different washi tapes behind here, and there's a washi tape over here. I pulled out those old fleur-de-lis shapes that I had previously stamped and fussy cut. I used some wood veneer stars. I used chipboard. Yeah, I used those tickets, that Heidi Swap piece, that Felicity Jane piece, and those are tabs there that I had previously punched, and you can see all the layers behind the photo. Love, love, love how this turned out. I love layouts that can use up a ton of scraps like this. Anyway, this one is done, and if you haven't been over to Christy's Facebook page, I would encourage you to go over there and request to join if you're not a member. If you already are a member, please go over there and check out what everybody's posting. As far as YouTube goes, you can go over to her YouTube channel. It's Christy's Beautiful Life, or you can put in the hashtag 30DSCBL7, and all the videos should pop up that are currently have that hashtag. And I think the same goes for Instagram. If you put that hashtag on Instagram, you will get all the layouts that have been posted with that hashtag. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I hope you will come back tomorrow. I do have a playlist on my channel called 30DS. It's hashtag 30DSCBL7. So if you want to see all of my layouts, please feel free, go over to that playlist and have a look-see. Anyway, guys, I will see y'all tomorrow for the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.